Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be making tilapia fish. Okay, so I'm about to go ahead and soak my fish in some salt and water, cold water, y'all. Okay, we're gonna let that fill up. I'm put a little bit more, it's about a tablespoon of salt I put in here. We're gonna let that soak for about 15 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and make us some tilapia fish. Okay, y'all. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Leave me some comments on how you make your fish or your favorite fish. Because my favorite is tilapia, okay? I love the way it tastes. I love the texture of the fish. And that's what it is. So we're going to go ahead and let that soak, okay, y'all? Like I said, leave me some comments down below on y'all favorite fish and what y'all cooking for dinner, okay? See y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and dump out the water from this tilapia fish. And we're about to go ahead and season it. Meet y'all at the seasoning station. Containers, y'all know. So we're going to put about that much black pepper in there. And we're going to do half a tablespoon of this Creo seasoning, y'all. So this is to y'all. Y'all can season y'all flour to y'all liking. But this, I love this Creo. This Tony's Creo. Yes, baby. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, and we're going to also add in some lemon pepper, even though I got the pepper in there, but I'm gonna put a half a teaspoon of lemon pepper in this flour. Yes, baby. So what y'all want to do, y'all want to wake up that flour, okay? We're gonna wake up that flour taste. Yes, baby. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do it like so. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and add in a pinch of salt. That's my pinch of salt, y'all. Okay. We're going to add that in here to our flour mixture. Okay. And then we're going to come to our egg mixture. Egg mixture. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and add in some black pepper. We're going to add in a few sprinkles of black pepper in our egg mixture. Yes, we're going to dip it in some egg, y'all. Okay. And we're going to add in some garlic salt to our egg mixture. Yes, we are. We sure is. That's what we do over here, okay? We flavor, okay? Y'all have, flavor. Y'all know what flavor say? Yes, baby. Flavor over here. Okay, y'all. So, I'll be back with the fish. Alright, y'all. We're about to go ahead and season up this tilapia. I am so excited because I love me some tilapia, y'all. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use this half a teaspoon. We're going to go ahead and sprinkle some of this lemon pepper on there. And we're going to do both sides, y'all. So we're just going to go ahead and take it one at a time. We're going to add some of this Creo seasoning on this chicken. Yes, baby, like so. And like I said, we're going to do both sides. So bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. I'm about to sprinkle some Old Bay. Yes, baby. I love this Old Bay, y'all. It do have a hint of a spice. So that's why I have my other seasonings going on here. Okay, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and rub this on in. And we're going to do the other side. Okay. And I'm going to continue to do this. And I'll be right back. Hey y'all, we are about to batter up the fish. Alright, so we have our fish seasoned. We're going to go ahead and start with our flour, okay? Like so, y'all, excuse my hands, they ashy. Ain't nothing I can do about it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and batter this fish up like, dip it in the egg mixture, okay? And then now we're going to go ahead and fold it into our Louisiana. Yes, baby. This is some Louisiana meal, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and cover it like so. And then we're gonna place it to the side. And we're gonna continue to do the process. And I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes. And I'll be back. Okay, y'all, we're about to go ahead and get the fish in this hot sizzling grease. Okay, so we're about to go ahead and drop our tilapia. Yes, baby. Ooh, look at that fish, y'all. So pretty. And we're going to let that go ahead and do its thing. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and put 2 in there. But let me go ahead and let that get a nice little sizzle. Okay, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me some comments down below on what y'all cooking and how y'all cook y'all fish. And what's y'all favorite fish, if y'all have a preference. Okay, y'all, so let me go ahead and we're going to let this go ahead and do a little frying. Let y'all marinate on that for a few minutes. Marinate. Okay, well, I'll go ahead and get some stuff together so we can get ready to flip them over. Yes, baby, it's about to be bomb. Yeah, oh yeah, look at that fish, y'all. So pretty. Okay, y'all, hold on. Let's get a little glimpse. It ain't ready yet. Okay, y'all. Be right back. Okay, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and start to flip my fish. I want to tear it, so we're going to do this nice and gentle. We're going to flip it. Yeah, oh yeah, look at that. So pretty, nice and golden brown. And we're going to let's check you. Let's see. Yeah. That's going to be so pretty, y'all. Nice and golden brown. That's what we're looking for. Bring it closer. That's what we're looking for, right? Get in that pot. Get in the pot. In the pot. Yeah, baby. Right there. Y'all, look how pretty that fish is. That's my tilapia, y'all. I did that. I did that. All right, y'all. Be right back when I finish with the fish. Okay, y'all. About to go ahead and put in the next batch. Watch that sizzle, y'all. Listen to that sizzle. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Listen to that sizzle. Oh, yeah, mama. I did that, y'all. Yes. Okay, y'all. I'm just letting y'all get a little glimpse of how I get down in China's kitchen, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm giving y'all a glimpse of how I get down in China's kitchen, baby. Yes, baby. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. Yes, honey. Slap your mama. Woo! Okay, y'all. Be back. Okay, y'all. So these are the last 2 going in. Listen to the sizzle. Yes, baby. I like that sizzle. That's what we're doing it for over here in China's kitchen. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and let this do its thing. And I'll be back when I plate the chicken. I'll be back when I plate the fish. Okay, y'all. I'm about to plate this fish. Yes, baby. Look at that fish, y'all. Look at that. Take a good glance at this fish right here. It looks so pretty. Yes, baby. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Okay, y'all. Let's go ahead and get this plated so nice and pretty. We're going to do it like so. We're going to plate that. Come on, work with me, fish. Yes, baby. Okay, so we got 2 more to fit on here. So we're gonna get that on there. Nice. Like so. Ooh, y'all, this fish is hot. Okay, yes, it's hot. Alright, y'all, marinate on that fish for a minute. Yes, baby, marinate on that fish. Okay, y'all. Actually, let's do this. Let's take you up here. Yeah, baby. Okay, y'all. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Okay, y'all. Let me go ahead and try a piece of this fish right here. Y'all, excuse my hands, but I just couldn't resist. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I had to try that first. Yeah. Try this fish right here, y'all. Look at that. Yes, baby. Oh. You know what? I did that, y'all. I did that. Look at this. Look how golden brown this. Yes, babe. Look at that. Yes, baby. Yeah. Slap your mama if you close to her. Slap her. Okay, y'all. Hold on. Ooh, that's hot. Catch you on the next one.